Rising moon and silver road behind me, and I do believe the sky's about to fall.
Our next hike was a 15-kilometre out and back trail near Mount Cook, Western Australia.
We have just started our Sullivan rock adventure.
Gonna find the gypsy queen, show me things I've never seen. Don't cry, mama, for the things I've done. Mama, don't you cry for me. I'm singing for the dark and lonely highways. I'm singing for the rivers and the sea. I'm singing for the country roads and byways. And I wonder as I go, is there anyone alone?
I just had a, what did we do?
A second lunch.
Second lunch. What was our first lunch, Eric? McDonald's.
Yep. In the store. Now we're racing on to get to our third lunch.
Going home ain't quite as fine as leaving. Together ain't as fine as on your own. Wishing can never be believed.
Arrived at camp. Just set up tent and played with my new mattress. Got a new mattress. Big Agnes. We've got a new tent. So very
Got
excited.
to find the gypsy queen, show me things I've never seen. Don't cry, mama, for the things I've done. Mama, don't you cry for me. I'm singing for the dark and lonely highways. I'm singing.
The next day we arose from our slumber and made some bacon and egg wraps for breakfast.
I'm singing.
Ready to go, Emily?
Let's go.
And I wonder as I go, is there anyone alone to sing for me?
Bloody hills.
We made it back over the hills and started heading back down towards the car.